And this video will show you how to send your Bitcoin with Western Union. So if you have available Bitcoin, I'll show you step by step what you need to do to send it with Western Union. Of course, Western Union doesn't support Bitcoin, but there is an alternative way how to send this Bitcoin. So first of all, you need to have the Binance account. If you don't have it, you need to sign up on Binance. And after you will sign up on Binance, you need to deposit your Bitcoin to your Binance account. So you can go to the spot account. Right here, you need to find the Bitcoin, then click these three dots and click on deposit. Then select the Bitcoin network and copy your Binance Bitcoin wallet address and send your Bitcoin to your Binance account. After you will have available Bitcoin on Binance, then you need to click on trade in the top menu, go to the P2P trading, select sell because you're selling your Bitcoin and you want to withdraw it to Western Union, then select Bitcoin. And in the payment methods, you need to find the Western Union. And right here you will find the exchangers who are exchanging Bitcoin to Western Union USD. So you can look at their ratings, their number of orders. There are only two at the moment who are exchanging Bitcoin to Western Union. You can also do another thing. You can also convert your Bitcoin to USDT and then you can withdraw your USDT to Western Union. So if you choose USDT, there will be much more exchangers. For example, I will choose this one. I need to click on sell USDT or sell Bitcoin. It depends which cryptocurrency you will choose. Right here, you need to enter the amount of, in this case, USDT. I want to sell, for example, the minimum is 200. So I will enter, for example, 500. And as you can see, if I send 500 USDT, I will receive 462 USD with Western Union, guys. So this is the exchange rate. You need to select the payment method, choose the Western Union, and you need to set your Western Union details. You need to enter your correct name and last name like you have in the passport, and also you can provide other details. Then you need to click on sell USDT. You need to transfer this amount of money to this exchanger and he will make the payment in 15 minutes, in maximum 15 minutes, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.